2.2006 Jeep Liberty Renegade model. 4-wheel drive for those snowy days. Automatic. Air conditioning. All the books and extra keys. Full gauge package. Power windows. Power locks. Alloy wheels. Power mirrors. Rear wiper washer. Rear defroster. Folding rear seats. Luggage rack. Outside mounted spare tire. Power remote. Clean vehicle history. This Jeep has less than 65,000 miles on it. It has been through our shop, has passed with flying colors. Lots of room and plenty of space. Are you still driving around that old clunker? Stop in today and take this Jeep for a test drive on our exclusive test track.